Good day, grade 1 learners. I am your teacher broadcaster, Teacher Mona Lisa Arpakis, and welcome to your daily dose of learning in English 1. Last week, we had vowel letters and their sounds. Let us have our song Vowel Letters and Sounds for our review. A as in apple, E as in eggplant, I as in Indian, O as in orange, U as in umbrella. Now I know my vowel sounds. This week, we will have some of our consonant letters in the alphabet and their sounds. Let us sing ABC song first before we start our lesson. Up to the ceiling, down to the floor, left to the window and right to the door. Mama kiss me, Papa loves me, for I know my ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time I want you to sing with me. Which of these letters are consonants? 5 are vowels and the rest are consonants. How many consonants do we have in our alphabet? Come on, type in your answers in our comment section. How many consonant letters do we have in our alphabet? Did you type in 21? Very good. These are the consonant letters of our alphabet. 21 consonant letters. We will sound all the letters of the alphabet in our first quarter period because their sounds will be your key in reading words, sentences, and eventually stories. So let's start the ball rolling, kids. Type in and the lowercase m. Very good. That is letter M. What is the sound of letter M? Do you know the sound of letter M, kids? What's the sound of letter M? Mmm. That's the sound of letter M. Mmm. Can you give me words start with sound? Do I hear you say mat, monkey, moon, man, and melt? These are some of the words begin with sound. Now, type in the big and small letter N and L. Go kids, type in our comment section the letter N and L. That's it, kids. If M sounds what is the sound of letter N? Is perfect. Like N is N like net and nurse. Net, nurse. How about L? What is the sound of letter L? If N is N, L is L. That's the sound of letter L. L. Like love and lollipop. Love, love, and lollipop. Can you type in our comment section the big and the small letter R while sounding the letter? Go kids! This is letter R. What's the sound of letter R? R. R. That's the sound of letter R. Like rat and ribbon. Rat and ribbon. Jet Club for you kids. Zoom, zoom. Very good. Connect the letters now to the pictures whose names start with the letter sound. Connect the letters now to the pictures whose names start with the letter sound. Go kids! Ladder, robot, mango, nail. Perfect, kids. Did you also have the same answer? Very good. How about this group? Which has the sound of m, n, l, r. Which of these pictures has name starts with this letter sound? Radio, nun, male, lizard. Very good. Now, let's have the letter whose sound is S. What letter is that, kids? What letter has S sound? Come on, type in your answer in our comment section. Very good, kids. That S sound is for letter S. Like, can you give words start with S sound? Sun, seed. Sun, seed. Very good. How about sound? From what letter can you hear the sound of Did you type in the letter H? If that is so, 3 jet claps for you. To those who got the correct answer, letter H has the sound of zoom, 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 zoom. Sound like house and hat. House and hat. Sound. Can you try to guess the letters in the alphabet, those with the same sound like? Which of the letters in our alphabet has the sound of? Go, type in your answer in our comment section. Go kids, I'm waiting for your answers. What letters in the alphabet has sound? Did I see letter K? That is correct. But we still have one more letter in the alphabet with sound. What is that? Did you type in letter C? Did I see someone type letter Q? Yes, letter Q seems like the sound of letter K. Letter K sounds, but letter Q sounds. Again, kids, the letter K sounds, and so with letter C. But letter Q here, kids, sounds. There is a difference in sounding the letter K and the letter Q. Let us have example words with beginning letter Q, K, and C. Come on, read with me. King, kid, key, kangaroo, kit, quail, queen, quilt, quiet, quit, can, car, cake, coin, cub. Look at the words beginning with letter Q. What do you notice? Look at the words here in our screen. Those words begin with letter Q. Quail, queen, quilt, quiet, quit. What do you notice, kids? Yes, letter Q is always with letter U. Do you know that letter C has two sounds also? What we have a while ago are words beginning with letter C sounds. Let us have these words, kids. Centavo, century, cemetery, celery, Cindy, cigarette, circus, and city. What beginning sound do you hear from these words? Centavo, century, cemetery, celery, Cindy, cigarette, circus, city. The beginning sound is very good. Letter C has two sounds and if letter Q is always with letter U, what is with letter C that makes it sound S? Amazing! If letter C is with letter A, letter O, and letter U, it will sound as K. And if it's with letter E and with letter I, it will sound as S. Very good, kids. Let's read all the words we had today. Ready? Cat, monkey, moon, man, melt, ladder, robot, mango, nail, radio, nun, male, lizard, king, kid, key, quail, queen, quilt, quiet, quit, can, car, cub, centavo, century, celery, Cindy, circus, and city. Good job, kids! Now let us try to answer these questions. Type in the letter of your answer in our comment section, kids. Good luck! Which picture has name starts with L sound? L. L like letter B, lion. Very good, kids. Which picture has name starts with letter M? Sounds as mm. Mm. Type in the letter of your answer, kids. Mm, like A, mother. Did you have the correct answer? Let's move on. Which word has beginning S? What's your answer? Go. It should be letter C, city. Very good, kids. Which group has beginning K sound? Your answer should be letter A, camera, cactus, and kids. All these words starts with sound, which does not begin with R, which does not begin with R. Letter C is correct. Rock, run, starts with R. Nurse has R sound at the middle. Good job, kids. 5 claps for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now you're ready to answer your learning activity sheets. On activity 1, write the name of the pictures whose name begins with L sound. On activity 2, circle the pictures whose name begins with R. On activity number 3, write M or L to complete the words. You name the picture, kids, on activity 3. On activity 4, color the pictures whose name starts with S and on activity 5, read the words and identify if the beginning C sounds K or S. All starts with C. Identify if their beginning sound is K or S. Do not also forget to do your performance task. Cut or draw 5 pictures in each group and write their names in a long bond paper, kids. If you want to read and learn more about what we have this morning, you may browse in these links from YouTube to provide you additional information. My special thanks too to these websites where I got the pictures downloadable free and the PowerPoint background I used in my presentation. Our teaching and learning becomes more exciting, fun, and meaningful because of these websites. Thank you very, very much. Did you have fun singing, listening, and learning today, kids? Me too. I enjoyed these 20 minutes of teaching and learning with you. Hoping you did well with your lesson today, kids. Again, this is your teacher broadcaster, Teacher Mona Lisa Arpakis, your teacher in grade 1, saying learn English now. Be globally oriented to be globally competitive as you embrace the new normal education. Stay motivated, stay safe, God bless you, and enjoy the rest of the day. Tune in next time. Goodbye, everyone.